He loves the Grove Collab. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom to 4 children. Today's video is actually a collab with my friend here on YouTube, My Simple Little Life. And she is a wife and a mom as well. She has very similar videos to mine, cleaning and organizing, as well as hauls. She loves the Grove Collaborative, just like most of us moms, us cleaning moms here on YouTube. Yeah, so go check her channel out as soon as you're finished watching this. And if you are coming over from her channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I would love it if you would stay and click that subscribe button. We are talking about my January favorites today. I think I have 8 items total. So, all right, so we'll just jump right into it. So the first item is the Silk Almond Milk Creamer in the vanilla. I love this stuff. It tastes so much like the other creamers that are out there, but it's so much better for you. You can see that it's non-GMO, which I love, and there's no dairy, there's no soy, so I absolutely love this creamer. It tastes so good. My number 2 item is the Garden of Life My Kind Organics Vitamin C. I love this. I just recently discovered vitamin C spray. I did not know that they existed. The other vitamins that I have been buying for my children especially were gummy vitamin C vitamins. I can't talk. They were the gummy vitamins. So I just really love this, and all of my kids love the flavor. I'll just say, all right, open up, and I'll spray it in their mouth, and they love it. The dosage is 5 sprays for children over the age of 4. So for my 2 and 3-year-old, I give them 2 sprays unless they're kind of sick, which is actually, we've been fighting some sicknesses here lately. And so I've been giving them 3 sprays just to give them that added boost of vitamin C. Number 3 item is another kind of food related item. And it is, if most of you might know that I sell Plexus. I have been for about 1.5 years, and it's slim, but this is the old slim. If you happen to be an ambassador or if you're a customer already, then you would know that they came out with a new formula back in May of last year. But I'm still so much in love with the old slim. I love the taste of it, but what I've been doing lately is I've actually been mixing a pack with warm water, so it's kind of like a tea, and I love it so much. Especially it's been so cold lately, even here in Florida, like in the 20s and 30s and 40s, and so I just like to hold a warm cup, and it's so yummy, and it's so good for you guys. It helps boost your immune system, it regulates your blood sugar, it helps with inflammation, it gives you energy, it helps with food cravings, and it's plant-based, so it's pretty awesome stuff. If you guys are interested, please let me know, and I would love to hook you up, as well as if you happen to already know somebody who does sell Plexus, then go check them out, go to them. I don't want to steal anybody's customers or anything like that, but go talk to them, and yeah, it's pretty awesome stuff. The new formula has a different flavor. It's really more of a cherry flavor. It's like a cherry Tootsie Pop, and it doesn't have real sugar in it. It's made with stevia. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. The new flavor is it's watermelon, raspberry, and lemon. My husband really prefers the new flavor, but I still love the old, so I'm still ordering it while it's available because I don't know when they're actually going to run out, so I'm just still ordering that one. Okay, so moving on. That was my number 3. I just have 2 kind of like beauty body care products, and they're both by The Honest Company. And the first one is the Honest Beauty Invisible Blurring Powder. Let me open it up and let you look. You can kind of see. Anyway, it's just so soft. I love the way it feels on my skin. I love putting it over my CC cream or foundation or whatever it is I happen to be wearing that day. But yeah, I really do love this face powder. Okay, so this other stuff by The Honest Company, I love this stuff. I think I have 3 bottles of it in my house because it's a necessity in this house, especially in the winter. I'm a germaphobe, so I wash my hands all the time. My kids wash their hands all the time, and their hands get so dry. So I put this on their hands, especially at night, really just because it's so greasy. It's similar to Vaseline, but what it is it's organic all-purpose balm, and it's good for chafed or shaved, however you pronounce it, or sensitive skin, and it's hypoallergenic. Like I said, it is organic, and it's plant and botanical based, and it's vegetarian, biodegradable, pH balanced, so it's so much better for your skin than Vaseline. I will show you. It just kind of comes out like that, and it's really thick. And see, I have a dry knuckle right here, so I'll just rub it on there, and it feels so good. It doesn't burn like other lotions or creams do, and I love it because it's plant-based, it's organic, it's great for your skin, and I feel comfortable putting it on my children's skin. I used to use Bath & Body Works all the time, but if you have cracked knuckles, if you wash your hands all the time, then you know that putting Bath & Body Works, and I'm not bashing Bath & Body Works, I'm not, they smell terrific, they really do. I just haven't shopped there in a long time because I just choose not to. But that stuff burns your hands whenever you put it on there, and I don't like that for my kids. This stuff does not burn. It does not burn. I mean, I literally have cuts on my hands from washing them so much because I've had a sick family. If you've seen a few videos back, I had a cleaning with me after sickness, and then my 2-year-old actually got sick again with a double ear infection for the first time ever. She's never had an ear infection, so I'm constantly washing my hands, and this helps so much. I know I still have cracked knuckles, but if it weren't for this, it would be so much worse. But anyway, moving on. My number 6 would be this Method Frosted Fur. I know it was for Christmas, but I still love the way that it smells, and I'm definitely gonna buy it next year. I hope that they come out with it again next year. But it smells so good, and I love it because it's foaming. I love foaming soaps, and that actually might be why my hands are so dry, because we use the foaming soaps. I wish that they had like a moisturizing version. That would be pretty awesome. Method, if you're watching, you need to come out with a moisturizing hand soap if you haven't already. I'm pretty sure I've researched and searched, but I don't think you have it yet. You need to. All right, so yes, love this stuff. Smells good, and I just love foaming soaps. Okay, moving on. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Hand Lotion, the peppermint. Once again, I know this is Christmas, but I do not put this on my hands necessarily. I actually just use it whenever I get out of the shower. I put it on my legs after I shave. It's plant-derived ingredients made with natural essential oils, shea butter, almond oil. It does not have any parabens or artificial colors or all that sort of stuff. No formaldehyde. You can see all that for yourself. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I've used about half the bottle because I don't get to put it on every single night because I don't shave my legs every single night. I wish I could, but who has time for that with being a mom before? I don't know. I don't. Do you? All right, so the last item, number 9, is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Peppermint Scent. I have already used up all of my Iowa Pine, and now I'm finishing off my peppermint. It is to about right there, and I'm so sad. I love the way this smells. It cleans good. I love how the smell lingers even after I've cleaned my counters or wiped off my table, or just I use it for a lot of things, but it smells so good. Last night I ordered some of the Method Pink Grapefruit Life Made Simple. She uses the pink grapefruit Method multi-purpose cleaners. I ordered some of it, and I'm excited to try it. So, okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you haven't already, please consider clicking that subscribe button down below, as well as that little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.